So now I'm going to show you how to complete pre-enrollment in University of Genova. So at first I got this email and I go to this link and log in using University of Genova student ID and the password. So then got this first option. I select my subject. So my subject is computer science and software engineering domain. Then for this option I select this first option, then I select this first option. That's complete. Then in the next step this is filled out automatically. Just select your country and don't click here, don't click here, this is the blank. And in the third part in the third part you just have to complete your home address. This is your home address and this is your house address, and this is mean foreign, and select your country Kumilla, and this is the postal code and select no. That's it. In the third option just select your country. Okay, in the third option just select your country. This is the Bangladesh, and then select your HSC graduation, HSC, only HSC graduation date. Then select this third option, then select the second option, then select China, and this is the graduation date in certificate. So the graduation date which written in the graduation certificate, so my graduation date is this date. Okay, so in the next option okay, so for the next option just select this option. That's it. Okay, so now in this part select the passport and give the date, the expiry date, and this is the passport number. And for the front part just select on the half of the passport. For this is the back part, just select on the back side of your passport. Then scroll down and upload your pictures. So this part is so important. So which kind of document you have to upload? Just see IELTS certificate, bachelor degree and graduation certificate, and CV, and SIMA verification, and summary. And I also upload a recommendation letter. This is for Chinese graduate student. And now I'm going to show you the last step. In the last step you just click all the parts, then click on save. Then after the save, so after clicking on save you will see option like this: ID and creation days, last edit days, and status complete. That's it.